Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. My name is Shelly, and today I'm going to show you how I made a delicious fish soup or fish stew. This is all part of my series for National Soup Month, which is in January. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. This fish soup or fish stew is very easy to make, it's quick, and it's very light, very tasty. The ingredients are easy to find in your local grocery store or your local market. I tend to put a little extra here and there because I love color and I love flavor, but it is very easy to follow and to make this delicious soup. All the ingredients have been cleaned, cut, and sliced and diced. The bell peppers are done separately because I need to have them sauteed to a certain consistency. Then I add it to the onions and the garlic. During the seasoning process, please continue to stir to prevent it from sticking to your pot, but to also to continue to incorporate all your seasonings into each other so it'll be very flavorful. But you're going to also remember to stir throughout the process, but definitely during the seasoning process to keep it from sticking and to incorporate the seasonings together. It needs to be married. Chipotle peppers is not part of the original recipe that was passed down from my family members. This is an added ingredient that we put in our soup here at my house because we love heat and we love spices. You can pretty much add additional things to this process if you like, such as mushrooms and things of that nature. It's totally up to you. But this one here is foolproof. It is really delicious. The seasonings married together is so flavorful. The smell is amazing. Now, let's talk about fish. I use cod because cod is a really clean cut, easy, it's quick to cook, and you can tell when it's done it starts to flake. So you don't want to overcook it because you don't want it to be rubbery, but it's very flavorful. It holds those flavors in this fish. You can also use halibut, whiting, and trout as your fish of choice. Now, trout, I didn't even realize that trout had to be handled differently because you have speckled trout, you have rainbow trout, and each one of those have a different level. The mercury in that fish particularly has to be handled differently. If you're going to do it in a stew, you may have to add more lime, or you may have to add another ingredient to offset and balance that fish out. But cod by far for me was the best, and halibut. You don't want to use salmon or tuna because that's a meaty fish. If you are looking for a meal that is quick and delicious and healthy for your family on those cold nights, this is your go-to soup or stew. It is done with prep time and cook time in 30 minutes, and your family will be sitting down enjoying this soup. And there you have it. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I release a video. Share me out because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, bon appetit, God bless you, see you next time, love you long time. Bye-bye for now.